Hello students, this is the next lecture of chapter 2. In this lecture I am going to tell you how will you create table in MS Access. So firstly let's open Access app. So here I can type Access, so you will get here Access app. Click the Access app. Now this is the first screen that you will get in front of you. So here I am going to create the new blank database, and the new blank database I am going to maintain here employees detail. So I am writing here employees, only employees I am typing in short. Create it. The first screen you will get this one object will be created in your Access or in your file, that will be the table 1. Now the first table I am going to create about the personal details of the employees. So for maintaining the personal details I am going to change the name of this column or this field. Columns are also called field. I told you before during the explanation of second chapter. So click the ID and right click here and select the rename field to change the name. So here on place of ID I took EID, means employee ID. You can't take dot symbol. Here it's written new. New means the data type of this column is auto number. Auto number means automatically it will take the ID, but if you want to enter by yourself then you can change the data type from auto number to other data type. What is the meaning of data type? Data type is used to define that which type of data can be stored in this heading or in this field or in this column. So on place of auto number I took here or I selected here short text. Text can be combination of alphabets and numbers. But if you are taking any number as a short text, you can't perform any type of calculation on that number. And if you want to perform calculation on the numbers, then you have to take it as a number from the data type. See this number. But on the ID we don't need to perform any type of calculation. So here we will take short text. Second column I am going to create about again short text, and in this one I am going to maintain employee name. In third column the data type will be short text, address. Fourth one, date of birth you can take. For storing the date of birth we can take here date and time, and I wrote the heading date of birth. There are two ways for creating table in Access. First one is data sheet view and second one is the table design view. So currently we are working in the data sheet view. Bear in mind that we are working in the data sheet view, in which you can enter heading, means you can create field as well as you can enter record as well. Now we can enter data 101. This is the number, but this is the short text type of data. Name, any name you can take, and address Gorakhpur. Date of birth anything that you want, like 1990. After that you can close it from the close button here. You can press Ctrl plus W. Yes. Save your table name, personal detail, and now click the OK button. Your table will be created. Now if you want to see, then double click on the personal detail. You will see all the data and you can add more data here.